Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with the Under the Sun Grill Inserts Paws Old Glory, fitting a 2018 and up Wrangler JL. It's for the JL owner that's looking to change up that appearance just a little bit with something that's very affordable and easy to install. This particular design with the American flag and the paw prints is perfect for those of you that are Patriotic Enough Ups. These are made with very high quality materials. The insert is stamped out of heavy duty aluminum, making it very tough and strong, a lot stronger than the stock one, and they are printed with a UV ink that's designed to not fade. The whole thing is powder coated and clear coated, ensuring that it is corrosion resistant and lasts you a long time. Now, just like your stock ones, these are perforated, so they're gonna allow plenty of airflow, but they also have smaller holes in them. That's gonna keep all that debris out of your grill. One thing I would like to point out, these won't work with aftermarket grill inserts, or if you have a intercooler lurking underneath of your grill. Installation is very simple. These slide in right behind the grill, and the grill actually holds them in place, so we don't have to do any modification to the grill, and they are designed for a perfect fit. Now, there's many options to choose from on the site, and at just around $135, I think this is a great option to go with. You're getting something that's very simple to install, fits perfectly, and not only that, it's made right here in the USA and comes with a 1-year warranty. As far as installation goes, I am going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, as you can get this thing installed in about 20 minutes just using basic hand tools. Now, with that being said, let's hop into the install. Tools required for this install: Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, T20 Torx. So for this install, we need to remove our factory grill because we're going to switch out those inserts. First thing we're going to do is pop our hood and start with the disassembly. So with all those push pins removed, the top of our grill is free, so we're going to pull this out and away. Series of clips down here, we're just going to pull that grill out and then remove it from the vehicle. Just want to grab underneath here, we're just going to pull firmly to disconnect it at the bottom. So we got our grill off, we placed it on the table. Next we're gonna do is take out our factory inserts. So you're gonna need a few tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a T20 Torx. So you have these little white locking tabs in here. We're gonna start with those first. So we're just gonna press down on this white tab here, and then we can slide that out the other side. We'll do that for all 4 of these. So after that, we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to take some of these Phillips head screws out. You're going to have one here down at the bottom. So we're going to move over to the other side and remove those Phillips head screws. After that, we're going to take our T20 Torx. We're going to take our Torx bit screws out. So we got all the hardware removed from this, and next we're gonna have to disconnect all these little tabs that are actually holding this grill in. So we're just gonna go around and free all those up and pull this whole piece in. We'll pull this center section out first, then we'll work on these 2 end sections. So these pieces are just going to pull out all by themselves. Those out and set those aside. Then we'll do the same thing for this section. You need to pry these little locking tabs back. So now we have the stock grill inserts out of there. We're basically ready to reinstall this. After we install this, we're gonna slide that new insert in just like a cassette. So we're gonna clip this bottom end first on the Jeep. So next thing we're gonna do is pull our grill out and slide our new insert in from behind. So now we can push our grill back and reinstall our push pins. So at this point in time, you are all done, so you can close your hood. So that's going to wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.